Step into the story of Ombre, Light, and Shadow. This beautiful 40 sheer color collection is perfect for every season of the year. Each season tells a journey of a love story with color names to match, creating a beautifully immersive experience. Each bottle's airy and beautiful design showcases the play of light and shadow. This sheer HEMA-free formula is based on our same great gel color formulation, and when paired with our innovative Brush X, these colors will sure to become your new favorite. Light and Shadow is a versatile collection that can be used for a manicure or a pedicure, for natural nails, or on Gel X. The special sheer formula is buildable. Apply one coat for a more translucent finish. Apply 2 coats for more opacity. Light and Shadow can also do more than sheer one-color looks. 2 different light and shadow colors can be layered to create a unique sheer on sheer look. Mix and match different colors to create completely new shades. Light and Shadow also perfectly complements an array of Ombre products. This collection is a perfect companion for Ombre Gel X, allowing you to create everything from an easy, natural ombre to a more fun tie-dye ombre. Light and Shadow also pairs beautifully with Heavenly Top Gel Coat. After 2 coats of Light and Shadow, finish with Heavenly Top Gel Coat for an ethereal finish. And with 5 different Heavenly Top Gel Coats to choose from, combinations are endless. The Light and Shadow colors also can be mattified for a softer feel with our matte top gel coat. You can also pair our Light and Shadow with our magnetic glitter bomb. After applying glitter bomb and using the magnet wand to achieve the desired glittery finish, apply a coat of Light and Shadow to change the color of the finished look. Finally, you can pair Light and Shadow with our cult favorite Gel Color Collection. Begin by selecting your preferred Light and Shadow color to create a stunning base, and then add your design on top using our gel colors. These wearable sheer colors are sure to be popular every season of the year. So get ready to step into the story of Light and Shadow.